Ukraine and welcome to my channel. Today I will to show you a small city situated near the Dnipro, in 30 kilometers from Dnipro. Its name KAMIANSKE. This is an industrial city, but it's very beautiful. And let's go, I show you. And I hope you subscribe to my channel and write the comments.
At the entrance to the city, everyone is greeted by this biggest city hotel with the name of Homeland or Rodina in Ukraine. It was built in USSR. The city was founded in 1750. It covers an area of 178 square kilometers. The population of city KAMENSKOE is 233,000. And now, welcome to the central square of the city. Look at this incredible building, and I invite you to a walk in Central Park. This is an attraction of my childhood. It is called a fun slide. this is how the area looks like New Year's holiday. And this is Central Park in winter. And snow in the city. Central railroad station of the city. See how creative people decorate their yards. This statue of Prometheus, who has cast off his shackles, is a symbol of the city. This is the old district of the city, with many historical buildings. The theater of lediukraine. Cathedral Square of KAMENSKOE. Just look at the bright color of the St. Nicholas Cathedral, and the height of the statue of Christ is about 10 meters. But this church of St. Nicholas was an incredible found for me. The church is 120 years old. It is one of the largest churches in Europe. And was not destroyed during the Second World War. The history of the temple is really unique. At different times it houses a military registration, a stables and a planetarium. Can you imagine how many events saw these walls? And here is another unusual building that attracted my attention. It is located next to the church. And now I invite you to a walk in the hydroelectric power station. And now we are on the left bank of Dnipro river, which divides the city in half. Here located a new district of the KAMENSKOE. There are a lot of forests and lakes around the city, so there are many recreation centers, which I will tell you about in the summer. But now I just want to show you what the forest road looks like. Thank you so much for your attention and for your subscription. Let's open to Ukraine together.